Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying which cells must stay fixed and which users can edit. First, select your editable ranges and open Format Cells, Protection tab, uncheck Lock to allow edits. Next, leave Locked checked for the cells you want fixed so Excel can enforce protection later. Once done, make sure to note any ranges that need different permissions. This step prevents accidental overwrites and prepares the sheet for the protection step that follows. Now you apply protection so locked cells stay fixed. Go to Review and choose Protect Sheet. Select exactly which actions users may perform. This defines practical access. If multiple users need varied rights, use Allow users to edit ranges to grant exceptions without removing protection. Enter a password only if you need to prevent others from unprotecting. If you do, save that password somewhere safe because Excel password recovery is difficult. This enforces your design while keeping necessary editability. Finish by validating. Try to edit unlocked cells and confirm locked cells refuse changes. This proves protection works. If formulas break after protection, inspect references and ensure you used absolute $1 versus relative addresses where needed. Locking can expose reference mistakes. If something goes wrong and you can't unprotect, restore a recent backup or retrieve the documented password. Don't rely on untrusted cracking tools. One key troubleshooting tip: keep a version backup before applying protection so you can always revert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.